iPhone message not delivered to Android. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how you can solve if your iPhone's message is not delivered to Android users, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been trying to send a message from your iPhone to an Android user but you're not being able to send it, right? There could be a couple of reasons. First, it could be a block number. You might have blocked this number and that person might have blocked you. The issue could also be with the internet. Check your Wi-Fi or your cellular data or your signal to make sure that you're in a connected very strong place. It could also be a software bug, but the main issue that I can actually 90% of the time tell you is this is the issue with iMessage. You might have iMessage turned on your iPhone, which only works from iPhone to iPhone and not iPhone to Android. So you have to turn off iMessage, open up settings, then simply go to messages, then turn off iMessage here. Now only once you've turned off iMessage, now you can try to reopen Messages app and try to send that person a text message, and you should be able to text them. This way you should be able to fix iPhone message not delivered to Android. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.